The health benefits of ginger root have been touted for centuries, but now we have scientific proof of its curative properties. Either chop pieces very finely or grate it. A few slices of raw ginger root in boiling water may help soothe a cough or sore throat. Put the finely minced ginger into a tea strainer, and put the tea strainer in a cup. Natural remedies work, and that is why they are the most widely used medicines on earth. Drinking a cup of ginger tea has been a traditional go-to remedy to manage cold, flu and cough. Its active component gingerol helps bolster your body from within and provide instant relief. Ginger also has a calming and soothing effect on the body to offer relief from cold. Ginger cure cold symptoms by protecting the body from chills, cold sweat and fever. Honey has antimicrobial properties, which may allow it to fight some bacteria and viruses. One study found that honey was effective in relieving coughing as a symptom of a cold in children over the age of 1 year. You should never give honey to a child younger than 1 year old, as it often contains botulinum spores. While they're usually harmless to older children and adults, infants' immune systems aren't able to fight them off. Drinking honey in tea with lemon can ease sore throat pain. In another study, doctors evaluated homeopathic cough syrup, raw honey, against commercial cough syrups in double-blind groups of children ages 3 to 5 years who were ill with upper respiratory conditions. The evidence showed that honey could be effective at reducing the symptoms of acute coughs due to upper respiratory tract infections, infections of the airways, including how often people coughed. Scientists say the common cold can be cured with salt water because the body uses it to produce antiviral bleach. A randomized study of 400 people during cold and flu season also found that salt water gargling 3 times a day, with or without a cold actually being felt, reduced respiratory infections up to 40%. Gargling with salt water reduces and loosens mucus, which contains bacteria and allergens. To try this remedy at home, dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in a full glass of water. Swish it around your mouth and throat. Then spit it out. Salt water gargles are an easy and natural home remedy for a host of common ailments that may be the root cause of your pain. It could possibly soothe the inflammation in your throat in a matter of hours. What have you got to lose? Native Americans have used the herb and root of the echinacea plant to treat infections for more than 400 years. Its active ingredients include flavonoids, chemicals that have many therapeutic effects on the body. Echinacea is a very popular herb, and people commonly take it to help combat flu and colds. It is a genus of herbaceous flowering plants in the daisy family, Asteraceae. If you're a healthy adult, consider taking 1 to 2 grams of echinacea root or herb as a tea, 3 times daily. In addition, echinacea plants contain compounds called alchemides, which can further enhance antioxidant activity. Antioxidants are molecules that help defend your cells against oxidative stress, a state that has been linked to chronic diseases, such as diabetes, heart disease and many others. However, if you drink alcohol, pregnant, smoke, breastfeeding, or use illegal drugs, these may affect the way echinacea works. Garlic contains the compound allicin, which may have antimicrobial properties. Crushing fresh garlic, whether through chopping and letting minced garlic rest, cause a chemical reaction that releases allicin. During cold and flu season, one popular folk remedy is to eat a spoonful of raw, chopped garlic cloves. In fact, eating garlic can provide a wide variety of health benefits. In the meantime, adding more garlic to your diet probably won't hurt.